Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by checking your keyboard and operating system. You need to know whether FN or accessibility options are available. On Windows, enable mouse keys or the on-screen keyboard. On Mac OS, enable accessibility keyboard or use option combos. Once done, open keyboard settings and locate numeric mapping options so you can assign numbers to letter keys or a function layer. Make sure to test a few numbers immediately to confirm the mapping works before proceeding to remap permanently. Now you map keys. Pick a reliable tool for your OS, Auto Hotkey on Windows, Carabiner Elements on Mac OS, or Xmodmap on Linux. Create a function layer so combinations like FN plus U, I, O read as 7, 8, 9. Alternatively, use Shift plus letter combos if FN isn't present. Save this profile and assign a toggle key to switch the layer on and off quickly. Make sure to test numeric entry in a text editor and adjust repeat rates and modifiers so typing remains comfortable. Finish by thoroughly testing numbers in multiple apps, calculator, spreadsheet, and terminal to ensure consistent behavior. Export or backup your remapping configuration and write down the toggle you chose so you can restore it or move it to another machine. If something breaks, first check for permission prompts and keyboard shortcut conflicts. Disable other keyboard utilities and retry. If numbers still fail, reboot, reapply the profile, and consult logs, or the remappers help to identify the offending rule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.